Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail from Alexandra at Alexandra's Dolly World. And Alexandra is in Croatia, and she has sent me items before. And it is thrilling that someone would mail. Oh, wow, there is a lot in here. Hello, 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 my dear Dolly friend, and it's time I'm sending you some crochet stuff and hope that you will like it and enjoy it. Sending you also eye chips. Wow, thank you. It's for my Dolly one red outfit is for Midi Blythe. Oh, thank you. Big hug and thank you for your friendship. Sincerely, Alexandra Dolly World. Oh, look at these eye chips. Very beautiful. Very nice eye chips. She sent me eye chips last time too. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow. Let me find the opening on these bags so I can put it back in here after they wear it. Here we go. All right. Oh, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the earrings. She makes these for her dolls. She's on Instagram too. I think it's the same name. And she makes an outfit a day for her Blythe dolls. Just every day. Oh, look at that little dress. Oh, that is so cute. And a headband. Oh, and look at the trim on that. Oh, that's beautiful. And a hat. Oh, a full cape. Or capelet. Isn't that what they call those? Capelet? Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Alexandra also sews by hand. Let's get this one open. Oh, me and these bags. I can never find where they open. There we go. Oh, look at this. Wow. It's a little dress or skirt. No, it's little pants. How cute would that be? Oh, that is so cute. Little shorts and a bow. Oh, and a little bag. Oh, that is so cute. Let's open this bag. Oh, that is adorable. Alexandra, this is fantastic. And she has that fully lined, just like she does the capelet and the bow. Everything is fully lined. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But I started to say she makes an outfit every day for her dolls and puts it up on Instagram. And a lot of times she puts it up as a short on YouTube also. Oh my God, look at this full outfit too. Wait till you see this hat. Wait till I pull this hat out. Here's the dress and earrings. Oh, that is so cute. Look at this hat. Oh, my. Look at the back of that. The workmanship. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. With a little bow. Little jacket in case they get cold because this is a sleeveless dress. Oh, so cute. And a bag. How cute. And each has this little button on it. Oh, that's so cute. And then this is for a midi. Let's open it up. This is fantastic. Thank you, Alexandra. Oh, look at that. Isn't that the cutest? Alexandra has neon and neo sized and also midi Blythe. Look at that hat. Oh, that is so cute.
It's like Little Miss Riding Hood or something.
Yeah, or a little cape. You know what? That's a cape. I bet it could be a hat or a cape. That is cute. Look at this. Oh, that is adorable. Here's the cape. Oh, thank you so much. I'll leave a link to Alexandra's channel below. You can go visit her channel, subscribe, and look what else she's making for her dolls. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.